Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through the standard procedure for replacing the valve cover gasket on the BMW N46 engine due to an oil leak. We'll cover the required repair steps, the specific locations where sealant must be applied, and why it's important to review BMW TIS instructions before starting the job. We'll also look at proper gasket installation, inspection using an inspection mirror, and the correct 3-stage bolt tightening procedure. Let's get started. The first step is to disconnect the negative battery terminal. Next, remove the components that restrict access to the valve cover. Disconnect the necessary connectors and hoses. Remove the valve cover and thoroughly clean the sealing surfaces. Completely remove all traces of old sealant and oil. Install the new valve cover gasket and make sure it is properly seated. Apply sealant only at the specified locations. The sealant application points and required amount are described in BMW TIS and procedure 12812-851. Install the valve cover and make sure the gasket remains correctly positioned. Using an inspection mirror, verify that the gasket is properly seated around the entire perimeter of the valve cover. Tighten the valve cover bolts in the specified sequence in 3 stages. First to 5 Newton meters, then to 8 Newton meters, and finally to 10 Newton meters. Reinstall all previously removed components and perform a final inspection to confirm there are no oil leaks. This completes the valve cover gasket replacement procedure for the BMW N46 engine.